ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗ್ಧ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಮುತ್ತು ಮುತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹಾಡು ಕುಣಿತದಿಂದ ನೆರೆದಿದ್ದವರ ಮನರಂಜಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಪೋಷಕರಂತೂ ತಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹಾಡು ಕುಣಿತ ನೋಡಿ ಮಂತ್ರಮುಗ್ಧರಾಗಿದ್ರು. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ತೊದಲು ನುಡಿ ಕಿವಿಗೆ ಇಂಪು ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದ್ವು, ಕುಣಿತ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಹಬ್ಬ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದ್ವು. ಒಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವರ್ಗಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಮಿಗಿಲಾದ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಕ್ಷಣ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಹೌದು, ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಹೆಸರಾಂತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯೂ ಒಂದು. ಉತ್ತಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯ ಸರ್ವಾಂಗೀಣ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಶ್ರಮಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುವ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ನರ್ಸರಿ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಡೇ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವದ ಝಲಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದೇ ಹೊತ್ತಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ. ನಾನು ಭಾಗೀರಥಿ.
Education is not only learning from the alone, it is rather learning beyond books. Every activity of the school is to make the child learn something more in life. A very warm good morning to one and all gathered here to this event of Day of Excellence and Annual Day celebration of a nursery school. When invocation descends into the heart, if there is darkness within, it illuminates it, and if there is already light, the invocation intensifies the light. Here are our students to invoke the Almighty. I request you all to raise for the prayer. Communication which brings out innermost feelings. It depicts the cultural aspects of civilization. In India, it is believed as a form of worship through which a dancer can reach Almighty. We do an Indian tradition down the ages. Welcoming is the essence of oneness of mind and heart. Let's glorify the Lord Almighty through the graceful welcome dance.
ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಶಾರದೆ ಉಮಾ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ Abhish. I am Shivali. We are studying Beginner. We are going to perform a dance on a song of Bonia Batari Basa Baby Bro.
Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in a strange land? There's a wind carrying us away in captivity, requiring of us a song. Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in a strange land? Meditation of our heart be acceptable in thy sight. Be tonight. Let the words of our mouth and the meditation of our heart be acceptable in thy sight. Be tonight.
Kırdak cunuta dimta, kırdak cunuta dimta, kırdak cunuta dumta, dumta na 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 dum dum da na 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 dum dum agappa, dum dum da na na de na 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 dum dum agasa, da da dum da 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 di da 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 da. Da 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 dum da 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 dum da da dum 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 da na 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 de na 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 dum da na di da na gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa da na di da na gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa da na di da na gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa. Come now, follow my lead. Come now, follow my lead. Gama ba ma gama gama ba ma gama sa. Gama ba ma gama gama ba ma gama sa. Gama ni gama gama ba ma gama sa 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 gama ba sa gama. I'm in love with your body. Why oh why oh why oh why? Niri mama ba gari sa ni. Why oh why oh why oh why? Bani sa sa bani sa sa bani sa sa. Why oh why oh why oh why? Gari sa ba gari sa ni ba. Why oh why oh why oh why? Takar 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 Sani da ba ni ba magari magari sani. Saga ma ba ni sani ba magari Now follow my lead.
Good morning. India believes in strengthening its unity, diversity by building friendship with oneness and three powerful laws: peace, love, and care. Will the juniors will now go to the foreign take you ride from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Join us.
थी जो कभी कभी तकलीफें
किसी के संग में चलने से हुई हमसे कम
ओ तेरा मेरा मेरा तेरा तेरा मेरा मेरा तेरा किस्सा
रंगी
कभी कभी चलती है कभी कभी रुकती कहानी बेढंगी कश्मीर में तू कन्याकुमारी नॉर्थ साउथ की मिट गई देखो दूरी ही सारी
कश्मीर तू मैं कन्याकुमारी
सिचुएशन में हिस्सेदारी
Our Western Boys team who will be rocking the stage.
Si el ritmo te lleva a mover la cabeza y empezamos como es. Mi música no discrimina a nadie, así que vamos a romper. Toda mi gente se mueve, mira el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música que entretiene. El mundo nos quiere, me quiere a mí. Toda mi gente se mueve, mira el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música que entretiene. Mi música los tiene fuerte bailando y se baila así.
Estamos rompiendo la discoteca, la fiesta no para, apenas comienza. C'est comme si, c'est comme ça, ma chérie. La 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 la. Francia, Colombia, me gusta. Freeze. J Balvin, Willy William, me gusta. Freeze. Los DJ no mienten, le gusta a mi gente y eso se fue muy bien. No le bajamos, mas nunca paramos, es otro palo y blanco.
¿Y dónde está mi gente? Me fue a bouger la tête. ¿Y dónde está mi gente? Sí, yeah, yeah, yeah. Dos, tres, luego.
Hi Jatin. Hi Ridini. Hey, what is that sound? That is the sound of a horse galloping. Oh, I love riding on a wooden horse. Is it? I have one at home. Would you like to come home and have a ride? Wow, that would be wonderful. Dear audience, would you like to join us?
लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की धुन पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा धुन उठा के दौड़ा लकड़ी की काठी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की धूम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा धूम उठा के दौड़ा घोड़ा था घमंडी पूछा सब्जी मंडी बर्फ पड़ी थी बर्फ में लग गई ठंडी टबक 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 घोड़ा था घमंडी पूछा सब्जी मंडी बर्फ पड़ी थी बर्फ में लग गई ठंडी दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा धूम उठा के दौड़ा लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की धूम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा धूम उठा के दौड़ा
Orthopedic in Father Muller Medical College. Dr. Rahul, dentist and president of SRS Alumni Association. Respected Shri Vasant Shetty, General Secretary of Bantara Yane Nadavara Matra Sangha. PTA President Mrs. Hemalata and PTA Vice President Shri Ravichandra Shetty to the dais. Thank you, Madam. Welcoming art is a parent of all virtues, as it is a sign of noble souls. I request our headmistress to welcome the guests and the gathering.
Honorable dignitaries on the dais, our beloved Secretary of BANM Sangha and correspondent of Sri Ramakrishna Educational Institutions, Mr. Vasant Shetty, sir. Today's chief guest, Dr. Sachidananda Rai, EC member of BANM Sangha, and proudly I'm telling the other guest is my student, the famous dentist, Dr. Rahul, PTA President Mrs. Hemalata, PTA Vice President Mr. Ravichandra Shetty, Hippocampus head or the one who is guiding us, motivating us, Mrs. Shobha Pai, Mrs. Amita, PTA Executive Committee members, parents of my loving children, my dear colleagues and my dearest students. Very good morning to all who are gathered here. We are all here to share the happiness of the students who have emerged as winners. In Sri Ramakrishna School, we provide to each and every child ample of opportunities to bring out their hidden talent in them. Each child is gifted with one or the other talent. We show the right direction to them to develop that talent. We give a lot of guidance. Our teachers motivate them, guide them to become the winners. We conduct different classes, various competitions in academics and co-curricular and extracurricular activities. We motivate them. for academics to improve their knowledge, we conduct the competitions like essay writing, general knowledge quiz, science model making or experiments, and also extracurricular activities. We are conducting competitions like singing, drawing, flower arrangement, rangavalli, poster making, collage, and so on. So all these makes our students perfect in every field. They will emerge out as the all-rounders when they complete education in Sri Ramakrishna School.
Honorable dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, parents and my dear students, good morning one and all gathered here. It's my great pleasure in introducing today's chief guest. First and foremost, let me take the privilege of introducing one of the chief guests, Dr. Sachidananda Rai. He did his MBBS from KIMS Bangalore and completed his MS Orthopedics from Father Mullah's Medical College. He got his fellowship in joint replacement from Switzerland and USA. He has presented scientific papers in Australia, Beijing and Switzerland. At present, he is a consultant orthopedic surgeon and joint replacement surgeon in Unity Hospital, Mangalore. And also, he is a president of Indian Medical Association and EC member of Bantarayane Nadavara Matra Sangha. We are privileged and honored to have you as our chief guest, sir.
Master Vikshit to present a bouquet to another chief guest of honor, Dr. Rahul. Ms. Rekha to offer a bouquet to Honorable Respected Secretary Sri Vasant Shetty. Ms. Kushi to offer a flower to PTA President Mrs. Emalata. Master Tasvin to present a flower to PTA Vice President Sri Ravichandra Shetty.
Shivali B, second place in fancy dress, first place in sports. Pranjali Rai, first place in elocution competition. Daivik L. Nayak, first place in drawing competition, second place in memory test. Vrikshan Shetty, first place in sports. Now we move on to LKG section. Tanvi K, first place in elocution competition, first place in fancy dress, first place in patriotic song singing, first top scorer. Second place in elocution competition, second top scorer. Mia Hazel, third top scorer, second place in drawing competition.
Over to Rajesh.
First place in patriotic singing competition, second place in English elocution competition. Mahimel Shetty, first place in flower arrangement competition, first place in Rangoli competition. second place in flower arrangement competition, second place in Rangoli competition, first place in sports. Aditya Karan, first place in fancy dress competition. Grishma M. Suvarna, first place in sports, second place in drawing competition. Sanvi K. Ganika, second place in patriotic singing competition, second place in poster competition. Pranamya, second place in fancy dress competition. Faster. Rachit Shetty, first place in poster competition. Yogesh BH, second place in sports. Satvik V, first place in sports. Pranam Nayak, second place in memory test.
Encourage the winners with a big round of applause.
A very good morning, one and all gathered here. Here are the prize winners of third standard A. Inchara, first place in patriotic song singing, first place in English allocation, first place in Kannada allocation, second place in science model, first place in flower arrangement, second place in Rangoli, first place in poster competition, first place in collage. Parnika G, first place in drawing competition. Parnika. Abhay V. Gatti, second place in poster competition. Brijesh KY, second place in patriotic song singing competition. Samarth S, second place in sports. Let's move on to third standard B. Shrestha N. First place in English allocation, first place in Kannada allocation, first place in drawing competition, second place in fancy dress competition, second place in flower arrangement, second place in patriotic song singing competition. Pratham G. Ganiga, first place in collage competition, second place in English allocation, second place in science model making, second place in poster competition. Shravan BS, first place in patriotic song singing, first place in flower arrangement competition. Latiksha, first place in fancy dress competition, first place in science model making competition. Ritik VB, first place in sports. Samay J. Marla, Samay J. Marla, second place in sports.
Thank you, sir. Now I kindly request General Secretary Dr. Sir Vasant Shetty to honor the students.
Standard 4th A, Yashika N. Ganiga, first place in patriotic song singing, first place in English allocation, first place in Kannada allocation, first place in science model making competition, first place in Rangoli competition, first place in Kannada essay, first place in drawing competition, first place in English essay, first place in fancy dress, second place in poster competition, second place in flower arrangement, second place in collage, second place in sports. Trisha P. Shetty, first place in flower arrangement, first place in poster competition, second place in Rangoli competition. Spandana R. Nayak, first place in fancy dress competition, first place in collage, second place in sports. Dhriti, second place in patriotic song, second place in drawing competition. Raghavendra, second place in fancy dress competition, second place in science model making.
Drish, first place in science model making competition. Thank you, ma'am. Over to Sharmila.
Good morning, everybody. Prize winners of 6th A. Palguni Rai, first place in English elocution, first place in Kannada elocution, first place in science model making, first place in flower arrangement, second place in Kannada essay, first place in collage competition, first place in patriotic singing, second place in poster competition, second place in drawing. Saurav S. Rai, first place in drawing competition.
Ashwit Gowda, second place in science model making. Shraddha Bhatt, first place in flower arrangement, second place in drawing competition. Vijeta Shetty, first place in collage competition. Now we move on to standard 7th B. Rekha AJ, first place in English education competition, first place in Kannada education, first place in flower arrangement, first place in poster, first place in fancy dress. Vikshitar, first place in fancy dress competition, first place in quiz, first place in science model making, first place in drawing competition, second place in English education. Aishwarya Rao, first place in quiz, second place in science model making. Hardika B. Hegde, Hardika B. Hegde, first place in patriotic song singing. Vaishnavi Shetty, second place in patriotic song singing. Dhanush P. Shetty, first place in Rangoli, first place in drawing competition. Shika Alwa, second place in flower arrangement. Kushi, second place in Rangoli. Meghana Kotian, second place in poster competition. Shakshi, first place in collage competition. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. President of today's function, Mr. Vasant Shetty, Secretary of Bunds Sangha, guest of honor, Dr. Rahul, practicing dentist, Mangalore, and the President of Alumni Association of Sri Ramakrishna Schools, PTA President Hemlata, Madam Usha Shetty, parents, teachers, and my dear students. It's my privilege and honor to be here for the function of annual day of Sri Ramakrishna Primary and Nursery School. Annual day is an important day in the student's life. The day where you showcase your talents, as we already seen the tiny tots performing. Nowadays, the schools, they involve all the students in the cultural activities. And the day where you win a lot of prizes. So it's for all the students, it's an important day because they get prizes, they meet in front of their parents, in front of their teachers. Education is not just the amount of knowledge you put into the child's head. You have to give them the culture and how to lead a life in a society. That's more important than just an education.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, one and all. Present here, gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from the soul. To begin with, I would like to earnestly thank our honorable guest of the day, Dr. Sachidananda Rai and Dr. Rahul, for spending their precious time with us. Our high school admissions, Mrs. Shobha S. Shetty, for your presence. Thank you, ma'am. I wholeheartedly thank you, my colleagues, Mrs. Smita, who was a former teacher of our institution, for training our senior WHO kids. Thank you, ma'am. My heartfelt thanks to each and every executive member of the Parents Teachers Association for their responsiveness. In addition, I would convey my gratitude to all the parents present here for their constant support. Besides, my profound thanks to all my colleagues for their combined effort in making their function a success. My heartfelt thanks to choreographer Mr. Pramod Alva and Mr. Deepa Bhatt, instructor of keyboard, for training our students. Thank you. Thank you. Moreover, I am thankful to Sangeet Electricals for sound system, Mr. Nagesh and V4 Media for capturing the memorable moments of the day. My fond thanks goes to all my dear students for keeping us disciplined in hall. Thank you, one and all.
ಮಗುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೊರತರುವ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವಾಗಬೇಕಿದೆ. ಈ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ನರ್ಸರಿ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಶ್ಲಾಘನೀಯ. ಇದೇ ಹೊತ್ತಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ. ನಿರಂತರ ಸುದ್ದಿ, ಮಾಹಿತಿ, ಮನೋರಂಜನೆಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ V4 ನ್ಯೂಸ್. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.